Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's the 17th of December 2024. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 600 today within 7 years. I usually stream real content, real client work, no behind the scenes, no hiding. Mostly coded from scratch, but sometimes I use templates. So yeah, if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. All right, let's get into the announcements first. So from the 23rd to the 2nd of January, there will be no videos. There might be a video about the goal setting, but that's basically about it because I have holidays. So then the challenge will be back. I haven't had a holiday all year, so yeah, it's time for me. Aside from a few days, but it's time for me to relax a little. All right, so let's get into the languages. So we slowly started the vocabulary again. My current language system learning system is broken, but we will fix it probably in the holiday. I might do some tests and those kinds of stuff. All right, let's get into the most important part, which is the programming. So basically today we worked on color theory. So if you don't know what it is, basically matching colors, or you get like a color palette and try to fill in the dots. We did this on stream for 1 hour on 3 kind of templates. One template was easy, one was medium, and one was very hard. So now I kind of have the feeling of filling in the colors. It was way easier than expected. I kind of understand typography as well right now, but yeah, doing it from scratch is of course something else. So in this week, you're probably gonna see me doing on stream making a website with Vue.js, and the second thing you're probably gonna see me doing is working on I'm reverse engineering a Figma design so I can see how things are stacked, why they are aligned a certain way, and those kinds of stuff. So I need to find like kind of a good template, like a good base to do that, because there are a lot of tutorials about Figma and doing this and doing that. I'm gonna learn the design. I'm not necessarily going into the prototyping. So yeah, that's what we are going to focus on. So yeah. If you're interested in that, you can also see this on the stream. So yeah, and there will also be daily videos like usual. So I'm gonna round this video off because today is a free day. I already did the stuff that I needed to do, so I'm gonna relax a little because it's gonna be a tough week for me. All right, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today within 7 years, and I will see you on to the next one.